Police have arrested a young man in connection with the alleged rape of an 11-year-old girl in the Hapania Dilip Palli area under Amtali Police Station. This incident occurred on Tuesday night and the police quickly acted after the victim's parents filed a complaint. The accused was arrested and a case has been registered under the POCSO Act.
The incident reportedly occurred on Tuesday night around 10:30 p.m. when a man identified as Saurabh Burman, also known as Prakas, allegedly took the sleeping girl from her home and raped her in a nearby room. The victim confided in her parents, who immediately filed a written complaint against Saurabh at the Amtali Police Station. Police acted swiftly, visiting the crime scene with a forensic team on Wednesday afternoon and arresting the accused the same day. A case has been registered under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. The girl was taken to the hospital for a medical examination as part of the legal process. The investigating officer, Sub-Inspector Susmita Debnath, stated that an investigation is underway and the victim's statement is likely to be recorded in court. On Thursday evening, Saurabh Burman was presented before the court.
ধর্ষণ করেছে বা বাজে কাজ করেছে 11 বছর। ঘটনাটা হয়েছিল 13 তারিখ রাত্রিবেলা 12 তারিখ রাত্রিবেলা ঘটনাটি ঘটেছিল। তো ঠাম্মা এসেছে এই 12:30 একটা নাগাদ আমাদের থানাতে আসার পরে বললো, তারপর রিটার্ন দিল, আমাদের কেস স্পেসিফিক কেস নেওয়ার পরে ইনভেস্টিগেশন শুরু হলো। আমরা আসামিকেও অ্যারেস্ট করেছি এবং আসামিকে কোর্টে ফরওয়ার্ডও করে দিয়েছি। আজকে আমরা কোর্টে পাঠিয়েছি, 14 তারিখে আসামিকে কোর্টে পাঠিয়েছি। ছেলেটার নাম সৌরভ বর্মা, এলাকাতে এই ভিকটিমের পাশের বাড়ি।
The incident has caused outrage among local residents who are demanding the harshest possible punishment for the accused to deter similar heinous crimes in the future. Reported by Jivan from Vishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.